Well, these are all having fun. Look at that. A bit warmer up here? Yeah, they're kind of huge, aren't they? I think Anne Leibovitz lives in a building over there. You alright? Yeah, you alright? Yeah. Just an injured ego. Oh.
Let's drop the coffee though.
Well, that's the most important bit. That is weird. Come on. Slip. Slide your feet along, slide your feet along. Slide. Aren't you glad you're wearing like 6 layers?
Sure. Does help.
Me, you and my dad go down to the local market to get you some shoes. Yeah, I think it's a great idea.
Oh, look at that. Pretty.
Oh, it's gorgeous. You hip alright?
It's okay.
Alright.
I'm still moving.
You're gonna, when you stop, it's gonna hurt. Also stop.
Maybe. I might have to do that.
That may have to happen.
Yeah.
I feel like dying, but there you go. Should we go to the top path?
Wearing my coffee.
Yeah, me too. Because then you definitely have to go back if your coat was soaked with coffee.
I just don't want to waste the coffee. Oh, I don't have time for this.
Oh, great. I didn't want you to get hurt. Well, there you go. We're cold. Okay, you need to use your other hand of coffee now. Now let's go up to the main path. It's beautiful out here. Are you going to be fine up here? It's all melted. Also, the tarmac is dark.
You did find it? Yeah. No way, Polly. Oh my God.
All right. This is all right to walk in.
60 degrees, it would be so hot.
Let's warm up my hand. Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just monitoring the ground closely. Hey, at least you don't need to worry about ice in Florida.
No.
Just the iguanas falling on trees in the head.
I mean, good beer. Good mother. He loves snow. He loves
Tá dando sol agora.
I'm alright?
Your hand
Agora vai
cold.
derreter, né? Não vai nevar mais.
Your hand too cold.
There we go. Sorry about that. Here.
So these gloves, I think they're a bit damp, so they're just cold.
That's alright. I don't care. I was warming up my hand. Hand says it needs a warm up. So I'm giving it a warm up. And I even tried to prop you up and you're slipping with my foot. Didn't quite work. I'm just glad I nudged you a little bit away from the chair. Yeah, my shoulder barged you as you fell. Because if you land with your hip on the chair, that would be a different story. A very different story. And we've been visiting the ERs of the world again.
Oh, don't need that, really.
Nah.
Not on this trip.
Right, so the Museum of the Americas is over there. Not quite sure how far away. It's in that direction. Slippery getting here. It's 2 miles. We've got 4 seconds to get across. We can do it. Right, so if we carry on going in this direction, we'll be headed towards the Museum of the Americas. Oh, sorry, New York City. City of New York.
So the park in the snow.
Yeah, we made it. Now this is Christmas. It's like Pula Park in the snow, except there's 1.5 meters. That's maybe a bit too much snow. So crazy, I built a snowman and only like the top of the head was showing afterwards. very, very careful.
These are memorable.
Pardon? There's a bin here.
It's got a walking tour.
Alright. Friends of New York.
Can we get rid of the rubbish?
Yes, please. Pardon?
I'll try to catch up. I don't remember its benches, I don't remember its stones.
Is he? Alright. This fella looks imposing in the sunlight. Not sure who he is, but there you go.
Burns night in Scotland.
Yes. Oh, so that's a Scots burning thing.
No.
Oh, that's very disappointing. I'm not gonna lie, that's very disappointing. I'm very disappointed. So the Scots are more pyromaniac kind of people.
Super chier là-bas.
Hand swapping required. Yep. Oh, my ears are starting to freeze up.
Oh.
And this is serious.
Pick up the pace a little bit.
Pardon?
Can we pick up the pace a little
Let's
bit?
roll.
Thank you.
Yeah, the grind's pretty solid here, so we can.
Yeah.
Ah.
Maybe they don't all their phones do sepia on there.
Pardon?
They know all their phones do sepia.
Nah, don't ruin the fun for them. Hold this for me, please. Thank you very much. There you go. You went faster?
It's painful to go slowly.
Yeah, especially with your hip.
Yeah. It's cold.
Yeah.